In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your email using the LJDNetwork's web hosting application. First, go ahead and open your web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Yahoo, Safari, whichever browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, get the documentation that was sent to your email. In that message, you should have received 3 important things: your webmail URL, your email address, and your password. Now, take the webmail URL from the documentation that was emailed to you and type it or copy and paste it into the address bar at the top of your browser. The login page opens, it will look like this. You'll see one box. Go ahead, copy and paste your email address into the box, then copy and paste your username and password into the box. After you've entered your information, click the Login button. Your inbox will open and you'll be able to see all the emails you've received. If you want to select all your emails at once, just click the little arrow at the top. From here, you can reply, forward, or manage your messages however you need to. Before you leave, make sure you bookmark this page so you can get back to your email quickly anytime you need to check it.